Time for the timeout. Back to the ball game. One minute, 12 seconds. One minute. Number 39. Make this move. Short. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 25. Aras Bayagotaya. Bola sa piyak. 43 seconds. Number 14. Thirty-three seconds.
Umabot pa sila yan.
Oh, okay, doon rin na. Si Mr. Carano. From Abian Provincia. 20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Segundos.
Oh, 6 seconds.
6 timeout. And pause. Hey! It's a foul. Number 25. Holding foul. 4 segundos. 4 segundos.
Tapi oh.
And then the first ayan, to number 24 Norman Bato Calma penetrate Anderson drive and pass to short and that's the violation by number by Calma. Pass to number 8, number 20 and shoot basket. Kasalan. Penetrate. The forward pass. Reversion. Pass to number 10. Number 21. Layup basket. Number 3 at number 20. To Ryan for 2. Short. Rebound. To Ryan. Zarate. For opening. For 2. Basket. Score 15 by 30. Correctional lang, correctional. 13, right, left, and pass number 24, and a foul. Thirteen di sa piyak, 16 di sa piyak. Ang yellow, 16, 13. Kaya baliskad, baliskad. Winning time, 4:24. 14-16, 14-14. And basket, 15-16. in favor of Berman. The players, number 8 for 3. That's basket, rebound by number 29 to number 8. Number 29, Ryan. Pivot, pass to number 8, pass to number 10, and pivot again. Oops. Oh. It's a travel violation. Huh? Oo, hindi ba guys? Wala ta sila mag-decide. Players ka mga personnel ka mo. Nalay ba is?
Umayos kami.
Nalay ba is? It's a foul. Foul call. Ball on the side. Foul committed by number Number 8 inbound to number 20, back to number 8, to the straight, to pivot. Now counter by the number 10. Intercept by Calva. Intercept number 8, pass to number 20. Dribble the ball, penetrate to number 29 and lays. Not basket, the ball number 20 and lays. Not basket, the ball number 10. And not again. The ball is not on their favor. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 2:43 ang nabili. Timeout, Berman. This timeout is brought to you by inbound by Ryan. Pass to number 10 and lays basket.
Out! Out! Leave me now!
Pass to number 13, Mr. Commissioner. Number 13, Alan. And right, penetrate. Basket, the ball by number 8. Long pass to number 20. And right. What a move by number 20. Because Reyes, basket. Score 20 by 15. Rebound number 4, Sotela, penetrate. Not basket, rebound number Ryan. Last 1 minute, 45 seconds. Number 8 and late, not basket. Rebound number 24. Pass to number 13, Mr. Commissioner. Back to number 24, number 4. And a foul. Committed by number 10. Kagad reklamo, mateknikal dito mo karon. We have an official. Remaining time, 1:23. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Free throw by Mr. Gerson Dutella. First attempt, basket. Score 20 by 16 in favor of the Berman. Second attempt, basket. So number 8. So number 29, remaining time, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Number 8 for 3. Last basket by my number 24 enforcement. And a foul committed by Ryan. Number 29. Rebound. Number 10. Poster number 13. Last 1 minute. 55 seconds. Number 8. Back to number 10. To number 29. What a move. 45 seconds. 40 segundos. Pass to number 30, Commissioner for 2, basket. 35 segundos. 30 segundos ang nabilihin na oras. 25. Kasi naman yung tirate, sulod. Number 10. 17 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Intercept. Number 29.
7 seconds.
Remaining time, 7 seconds. Kasih segundos ko lang ulit. 7 minutes. 7 seconds ulit. Drive. Basket. And score. Inbound to number 23, Regis Mark. To number 29. Pass to number 23, number 91, Serate. Caklat 10 to shoot. Disma, 5 to shoot. Di basket. Basket leader ko na. Number 16, Carado. Number 28. Number 28. At foul. Committed by number 23. First attempt. Not counted. Second attempt. Not counted again. Rebound by 120. Pass to Ryan.
Relax, relax.
So Redisma for 2. Basket.
Sir! Bakit na sir? Bakit na sir yan?
Number 16, Carado. Gawad din ako.
Pag-ihali disma na. Disma to.
The coach of the Bermen. Ginaayo tali nila ang coach of Bermen na magsuksok man sa uniform. First attempt, basket. Second attempt by Carado. Basket. Remaining time, 5 minutes.
Sige na, boss mo lang.
Score 26 by 23. Favor of the Bermen. Ryan the ball. Pass over Zarate. Number 23, Hinon. Intercept by Enforcer. Intercept by Batisma. Tumen Zarate. Not. And it's Berman ball. Berman ball. Last 4 minutes. Enforcers, Carado. Tibul the ball. Pass to number 0. Tulog. Intercept. Ryan. Intercept. Milisma. Asol. Village.
Time out sir. Time out. Time out sir.
Spellboard. About Carado. It's full off. Winning time 2:55. 2 minutes and 55 seconds to Carado. For 2. Basket. Score 26 by 25. 1-point lead by Berman. Disma. Pass to Villes. Back to Disma. Penetrate. To Hinon.
Outside, outside.
Disma. Villes. To For shoot, basket. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Parado, reverse, knockout basket. Sebagai Monserrate, Tobiles. Ledesma.
Dalang.
1 minute and 55 seconds. Yang nabilin na oras. Ledesma. And a foul committed by Parado.
Isi kuya.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Time out.
Bola, sir!
Sulit na. Subilis. Ito Monserrate. Surayan. 4-2. Last basket. Rebound.
Go!
Parado. Dispulo. Parado. 2 point. Twenty-three, foul, Ledesma. Ledesma first foul. Remaining time, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Uno, dis, ang nabilib. Parado for 3. Not basket. Rebound by Jock. For 28. Not basket again. Monserrate.
Wait lang! Basa!
50 seconds. Oh, it's a line ball. Violation. Backcourt. Kita nyo? Nah. Enforcer ball. 45 seconds. Pull up. Meaning time, 42 segundos ang nabilin. Para sa atin na third set.
Tapos may 5 na.
Inbound is Pulo. Parado. Is Pulo. Back to Parado. Parado for 2. Back basket. Inbound na Bilis. Ito Monserrate. Ledesma. 25 segundos. 2 in on. Back basket. Inbound. Parado. 15 segundos. 2 point. Basket. 10 segundos na nabilin. Reset. 15 segundos. And time. Lina. Kaya, not basket. Rebound by number 8. Number 25 for 3. Not basket. Rebound. Another. Enforcer ball. Lina, number 14.
Ricky,
Pasibila, Dimitri. And the block. Pasibila, Gupag. And 1.
Ricky sa babaw. Si Ricky sa babaw. Kalang Paris. Man sinasay sa
Basket, rebound by Casulina. Back again to Kaya. Basket. Nabansi na ang enforcer. 31 by 28. Ricky. The basket is bound by Dilag. Pass to Bataya. Back to Bataya. And a foul committed by Dondon. Time out, Berman. Score 33 by 28. Tris Quincy ang nabilin na oras. 3 minutes and 50.
Oh, bumalik ka rebound na. Oh, muna. Rebound.
Muna yan po.
Papel din namin.
Basket to ball by number 17. Long on. On drive. Net. And a foul. Committed by number 14. Elena. Pergerakan basket. Second attempt basket. Score is 33 by 31. 30. Basin enforcer Abu Kaya. So Dilas.
Uy, bulag.
Napa. By Lukon. Push attempt. Not basket. Remaining time 2 minutes and 28 seconds.
No,
Dos minutos kag 28
Ano?
segundos.
Ano?
Second attempt. Basket. Score 24 by 30. Turnover. Inbound to Delina. Pass to Galo. Oh. Foul.
Paul. Ah.
First attempt by number 7. Not basket.
Isaki Paul, guys.
Second
Isaki Paul.
attempt.
Isaki Paul.
Not basket. Rebound. And a foul. The foul by Lukon. Number 17, that is your third personal foul. Budelina. Nitrate. And a foul. Committed by number 25. Second foul. Winning time, 1 minute and 34 seconds.
Oh, 5-5.
Second attempt basket. Second attempt. Basket. To 25. Score 35 by 20. 1 minute and 25 seconds na nabilin ng oras. 36 by 30. Fox 36. One minute. Looking five. 1 minute and 5 seconds na nabilin. Number 25. Number 8. Nagkakit. Rebound by Delina. Just 1 minute. 50 seconds. Bulat. Nitrate. Selesai. 40 seconds. Tukon, layup. Now basket. Rebound by Delina. 35 seconds. Napili. Okay, shot. 30 seconds. For 3, not basket. And repeat sa traveling. 22 segundos ang nabilin. Para sa ato na fourth set. 22 seconds. And third set, 15. And the set, 10. 5. 1 second na nabilin. 1 second.
Ibisa, dalawang, dalawang.
1 second.
Dalawang,
na
dalawang,
nabilin.
dalawang.
Oh, it's a buzzer beater. Score 38 by 32. So number 10. Basket about number 4.
Ikaw yung nagpa-star bla.
About by number consumer. That's number 24. And a foul committed by Hinong, number 23.
Set.
With a free throw. Blocking foul by Hinong, number 23. Score 38 by 32. For the 10, number 24, basket.
No naman, no naman. No naman.
Second attempt. That basket is bound by number 21. Intercept by Hinong, Mansurat. Intercept by Sepilia. Penetrate, dribble the ball, and pass to number 13. Oh, rebound. And number 15, back to number 4. Oh, and line ball violation, number 20, De La Cruz. De La Cria. 39-32 ang score. Paso Garcia to number 24. Wala, rebound by number 4. Wala ang yapon. Set number 20. Right. Wala, rebound by Alan. To Norman. And Lace. Wala, black. Number 10. Nitrate. Pass to Ryan. Pass to number 20. And basket. Score 39 by 34. 2 minutes and 30 seconds na nabili na oras. Number 21. Alma. Penetrate. And intercept. Pass to number 20. And a foul committed by number 13. Number 13, it is your second free throw second. First personal foul. First attempt, Philip Reyes. Basket. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 2 minutos, 5 segundos ang nabili. Second attempt. Basket. Score 39 by 36, a 3-point lead by the enforcers. Pass to Alan, drive, and lace, not basket. Rebound by number 24, and drive, and lace, basket. Number 20. Dribble the ball. 1 minute and 30 seconds na nabili ng oras. Number 10. Number 91 and number 23. For 3, not basket. And intercept. Number 20, drive. Is lifting. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Inbound to Sutela. Wala. Berman ball. Turnover by Enforcers. Last 50 seconds. Satu number 10, penetrate. And it's a foul by number 24. Number 24. 45 segundos ang nabilin sa turno last 35 set. And bound. Number 10. Okay, excellent first set. Long pass. Nolan and basket. 35 segundos ang nabilin. 35 seconds. 30. 20 basket. 20 seconds. 15. 10. Basket. 5. And this is the end of the ball game. And final set. That's the final set. Ispulong, Tucarado. And the set, wala. It's a ball, wala, rebound. The set by De La Cruz. Pass to Ryan. Back to De La Cruz for 3. Short. Rebound by Carraro. Drive. And penetrate. It's a good ball. It's a foul committed by Hinon. Foul by Hinon. Players ng may yellow team, palihog takin ka mo. Players ng yellow team, palihog lang ay takin. Pasaway git.
Good na sa coach. Kamu nga, tempo ay na rebound. Good na sila.
Okay, bayo ba ko nabay?
Ball to Corrado.
Tira!
Jones, number 28, back to Corrado. Step back and basket. Score 47 by 38. Pass to Jewel. It's a traveling violation. Turnover to the enforcer's ball. Inbound Corrado to Pulong. Dribble ball. And lifting.
So, Bulldogs! Kilala ko mga sa
The ball. Green ball. Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Pass to Hinon for 3. Basket. Hinon! 3 point!
Down, down, down!
Garado, dribble ball. Pass to Pulong. And the job. Basket. Bullpen pa yun. Bullpen. Ang amon bullpen ni. Wayway na kami ka-score. Ang bullpen. And basket. Wala. Rebound by La Cruz. Dribble the ball. And a foul. Committed by number 0. Espolon. 0 foul. With a free throw. Score 49 by 41 in favor of the enforcers. First attempt, basket, De La Cruz. Second attempt, basket. Score 49 by 43. Nabiling na oras. 45 segundos. 1 minute and 49 seconds. Kulong for 3. Wala. Short, rebound. Oh! What a basket by number 27. It's on. 23 dribble ball. This man. And penetrate. And cross. Pass to Inon. And lay. Wala. Back. Cover up. And a foul. Foul committed by number 17. Poy. Meaning time. 1 minute and 5 seconds. First attempt, wala. Bilang tao pa, pagsunod. Second attempt, wala magyapon. Rebound by enforcers. Eskulong, dribble the ball. And the foul. Foul committed by Ledesma with a free throw. Second personal foul. First attempt. Basket. Nabili niya oras. Sigurtay City, segundos. Second attempt. Wala. Rebound by Philip. Left up violation by Poy. Score 52 by 43. Oh, sige, kamu lang. Very ka.
Bawa mo isa-iling mo.
Daw pa na. Oh, tabilis. 45 seconds. Bayan. Pass to Inon. Inon for 3. Wala. Rebound by Paul. Yung pass to Carrado. And Alay by Ispulo. Basket. 30 seconds na nabili na oras. Jewel number 25. And a foul by Edson. Number 20, ano number mo son? 27. In 24 seconds. So, De La Cruz, rebound by Ryan. 15 seconds. To Ledesma, basket. 10 seconds. 5. Wala. Late. And time. Inbound to Ricky Boy. And basket. Pass to Butaya. Penetrate. And pass to Duos. Basket. Ito Joe. Back to Ricky Boy. Numero 4. Picking up the ball. Pass to Joe. Long pass to number 20. Pass to number 4. Back to number 20. 10 to shoot. Penetrate. 5 to shoot. And rebound by number 4. Sotela. Overforcer. Pass to Lilag. Lilag driving. Pass to Butaya. Number 24 and Lace. Not basket. Rebound by Paul to number 8. Drive and not basket. Rebound. Oh, it's a jump ball.
Bayaran.
Bubu bila cik.
Enforcer ball. Wala mabaliskad ang araw. Enforcer ball. Last 10 minutes. 10 minutes ang nabili ng oras. Score 56 by 47. Nagutaya drive. And lay. That basket. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 4. Penetrate. And now pass to number 20. Pop. And some touch up. By Marcelina. Pass to Butaya. And Lace. Basket.
Time out, sir. Time out.
Number 4, dribble the ball. Pass to number 10. Back to number 4. Penetrate. Basket. Ricky Boy.
Hindi na nakat sila.
Score 58 by 49. Gabutaya for 3. Short. Rebound by number 10.
Now, Greg!
Brazil. Pass to number 8. To number 20. 2 point. Wala. Intercept. Again. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 10. Short. Rebound by number 8. Basket. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 58 by 51. Butaya to Dilag, posting up. Back to Butaya, number 24. Dos, wala. Rebound by number, wala ang lapon.
Pasa! Pasa na! Pasa!
Penetrate. To Dilag and drive.
Time out.
Basket. Number 4, login ball opening. Pass to number Nepal. Committed by Ipo. Point, number 17. Seven-10 and is your second personal foul. Pass to Ricky Boy. Drive. Intercept. Back again the ball. Number 20 to shoot. Basket. Sutila. Pass to Boy. Sutila. Pass to Sutila. Ito. Ayun na foul. Number 10, foul, Willie Perito. That is your second personal foul, number 10. Number 10 to number 24, basket. Tinggal na 10. Wala, rebound by Dilag. Oh. Number 10. Substitution. Number 10, it is your third personal foul.
5 minutes.
Person 10. Too strong. Second attempt.
Press na yun pala. Nagkalagang.
Basket.
Right.
Pass to number 4.
5 minutes.
5 minutes ang nabili ni oras. Number 10. Pass to number 17. And a foul. By Dilag. Number 15, that is your second personal foul. Lukon. First attempt. Basket. Second attempt. Basket. Score 62 by 55. 7-point lead by Enforcer. Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Carrado. Penetrate. Wala. Rebound by Paul. Paso naman. Number 24. Basket. Paso Lukon. Back to Ricky Boy. That's 4 minutes. Nabili na oras. 4 minutos. Number 20, drive. Turnover. Shot by number 13, Garado. 16. Pass towards Pulong. Garado lays up. Wala. Rebound by Pulong. Back to point, number 17.
3 seconds.
Extra traveling violation. Substitution. Sunod na.
Balik.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Inbound na number 20. Number 25 for 3, Kapos. Set. Number 10. Place, wala. Rebound by Tom. Pass to Garado. And basket. Score 66 by 55. 11-point lead by Enforcers. Winning time 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 20 drive. Foul number 24. Norman. Tatlo pa.
2 minutes 49.
Pagdating, wala. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 2 minutos 49 segundos. Second attempt. Basket. Timeout and Enforcers. Pasutila, Wilson, Hiligane, Pasutila, Gustaf, turnover, wala. In out. Turnover, German ball. Pass to number 25. The number 10 penetrates, and lays, basket. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Ang nabiling na oras. Drive by Pulong. Penetrate. Basket. And won by Palma. Substitution. Pinapawal ng red. Ang substitution. Wala pa. Pagkatap. Not counted. Winning time. Last 2 minutes. Basket. Number 20. Garado. Pastes Pulong, Garado. Take the shoot. 5 to shoot. Sila, wala. Bangkay ng 30, right? Wala. Nasa foul by number 16, Garado. Substitution. Nabili ni oras. 1 minute and 29 seconds. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Ang nabili ni oras.
Joel!
Substitution. Inbound to number 10. Penetrate. At the block. The set. Number 21. Lays. Basket. Intercept. Turnover. 78 by 60. 70 by 60.
Timeout.
Oh. Tama. Garado. 54 seconds. Ay, na foul.
Paano foul to, sir?
Foul by number 4. Second foul. Biling na oras, 54 segundos. Consideration. 10 to shoot. Tumarado. Wala, ay pamidilag. Paibot. And a foul. Belcon. The one that is your fourth personal foul. Meaning time, 41 seconds. First attempt, basket. Ina pa na. Second attempt. Wala, strong. Rebound by number 8. 35 seconds. 20, wala. 25. 20. 15. 10.